Okay, something for the engravers. I was playing with it this morning. I was having a look through the threads. Just pop into Google and in your images section just type in engraving vectors and then look for anything that doesn't have a watermark to do this test. Alright, so I found a couple of them. That one worked really well, and this one worked really well, and I'm about to test this one. So just right click the image, save image as desktop. Remember that if you're going to use this commercially, you need to double check what the copyrights on them are. Okay, so let's minimize that and start 3D coat. Where are we? Start 3D coat. Just going to resize that window smaller, guys. And essentially you're just going to click on import image as mesh. So we're going to go to top bump texture. I'm going to grab the image we just saved. Alright, so I don't know, just leave all the settings on default. Give it a second to do what it does. And how you would utilize this from here in CAD, I see this being, have a look at your poly count, bring that down to about 2 million. That'll help you get it back into Rhino quite easily. And just hit apply, really. You can, to increase or decrease the level of the engraving. This will help you just visualize what a 2D engraving is going to look like. So you can increase the depth of it by just going to your transform tool and just do that, and you can get a deeper and a shallower relief depending on what you want. So let's give that something that's let's get out of that tool. And these vectors, because they're just plain black and white, they pretty much don't need any work on them. I'm going to just see if I can find something that helps you visualize it a bit better. No, yeah, that's sort of better. Maybe in the rendering room. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so that'll help you visualize line drawings as to what they're going to look like, how the shading is going to look when you tilt the piece around. I'm going to go back and put that on maybe a gold material or something. And you can see how's the shading going to work for you, what are the depths going to be like, do you need to cut it deeper or not. In the CAD world, you just export this, crop it to the size you want and flow it onto your geometry flush with the surface, and you've got some engraving. Anyway, hope that was useful to everyone. Cheers, Chris out.